Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA TR152 software on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for Canon PIXMA TR152 support. Best results should come back with Canon support for PIXMA TR152. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we're on here, you want to scroll down and select software and drivers, and then scrolling down again, select the TR150 series driver setup package, and then download. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it up to run it. And it should be from a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes, and then let this finish extracting. Select Start Setup, and then select Next. Let it check for any new updates it may require. And then you want to accept the license terms here. And then once that's done, just let it continue on with the installation. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.